Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my friends are very well. Also my sister and brother too. I also come back with another incoming site. Uh, if you earning from online system, then join with my channel and subscribe my channel, and beside the press the bell icon all button. Okay, you can fastly receive my any information. So I have a telegram group which you can join with this telegram group. If you mining core mining, uh, then you can exchange your uh, core mining hash for or uh, increase your hash bar. So another thing, you can exchange your gift card. So in my telegram group. So I go to my main topic, uh, which uh, uh, which for this make this video. So I have come back with new site. uh, this site name is Shiba Miners. So it's a new new site. So it's age 1 day 2 days. So if you join this site, and I hope you will be gain this. Here is no investment in this here. So you can mining free. Okay. So how to register this site, I also teach you. Please stay with me. And every step you will remember it. Okay. It's all instant pay you. Okay. You have need to BP20 SIP coin address, and you need to password and everything. Okay. I also collect my Shiba address, and I also type my password. Okay. You will see it. I also correct my Shiba 𝑏𝑰𝑭𝑚 wallet from my cryptocurrency wallet, and also type my password. Okay, press the button start for start mining. Waiting. You will come to your dashboard. Huh? Yeah. Okay, your login ID is 40,300 it's my login ID. So how many people join this in this site? Here is a show. You will verify your email. So while you verify your email, or type your email, I also see you. Please join here telegram. If you log in your telegram, so please the button. Okay. uh, so also now I also uh, you show you. Here is your uh, mining year. Okay, how can total earn from this because ship coin. Here is show, and here is the investment plan. So you can do show 80,000, 4 lakh ship, 10 lakh ship, and also other ship here. So your miner is active. Here is show. So you earning at 1.04 every hours. Okay. But about years, you will total gain from the, a day, 150 one 1500 sheep per day. Okay, running it. This free miner will deactive after 10 days. Okay, uh, if we deactive, then you will get a plan. So you need if you need to be investment side, you can active your plan. So there was its payment every day. Where is your referral program? Here is your referral ID. Okay, here is your ID. You can change your uh, uh, here is your update email type here, and also every time password type here, and then save button. I do not need now. So go to how to payment system, how to payment this. If you join this your link, you will gain 20% referral speed high. Okay, gigahash will be increased 20%. So another thing, payment proven every time there will be payment. Okay, last 10 payout here is shown now. So you can prove it this payment. Please link here is type this link, press the link. Okay, is payment by BSC scan chain, BSC scan chain system. Okay, other payment system here is okay. Okay, is payout every time. So is the transfer set now? So I can join this. I also join system in system in tutorial in this video. So what do you how to get your this link? I also, when I upload this video, then I also add this link in this video. Okay, so take care and himself and join my channel, and prayer for me all the time. Remember, you cannot forget my Telegram group. You can also, if you join my Telegram group, if you will you can exchange your core mining hashboard. So other information will be added this other information will be at this site, my Telegram group. Okay, so take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.